Is Klaviyo expensive? That's the question we're going to answer today. My name is Zach Schieffer, and my team helps our clients do about 2 million per month from email and SMS, those two channels alone. So the short answer, it depends on exactly how many email and SMS messages you're actually sending. I'm going to get into the exact pricing right here. So you need to know how exactly they define active profiles and email sends. So if you're a new user, active profiles is just going to be the number of people within your account. And then the total email sends is just how many total emails, flows, and campaigns that you can send in a given month. I'll get to some nuances about this in a second, but let's just look at the pricing. So it starts off pretty much at the bottom end here at $20 a month for 500 active profiles and 5,000 monthly email sends. If we get up to 1,000, it's going to be $30 per month. If we get up to say 5,000, it's going to be $100 per month. If we get up to 10,000, it's going to be $150 per month. If we get up to, let's say 25,000, that'll be $400 per month. 50,000 is $720. 100,000, $1,380. Let's do 190,000 is $2,185. And then it goes up from there. So you can have 4K a month. You could have, if you have a little under $1 million, it might be 7.2K. You can get as expensive as you want it to. So you could just play around with all right. SMS. This is based on the number of SMS credits. So we'll scroll down here. SMS credits. This is how they calculate those. So if you send to a person in the US, that's just 1 credit. If you send them an MMS, which is just an SMS message with an image, if you send them an image, it's 3 credits. So it's literally triple the price. Australia, that's 4 credits or 15 credits if you send them a picture. UK, Spain, Switzerland, these guys are all 4 to 7, all the way up to Ireland is 9 credits. New Zealand is 10 credits. So it just depends on where the people are that you're sending SMS messages to. That determines how many credits it takes to send that person a singular message. But just pause the video, look at this right here and determine where majority of your SMS people are. And you have SMS and then you have MMS. So there's 2 types of credits. Obviously, as I said, MMS is for images. All right. So now if you want to send to the US, if you want to send to 1,250 people, 1,250 sends, you would get this plan, this 1,250 SMS credits plan. It could go up to 2,500. That's $25 per month. 10,000 SMS credits is going to be $90 per month. Say if you wanted 100,000 SMS credits, it's going to be $900 per month. And then let's say 525 SMS credits, that's going to be 4.4K per month. All right. So that's SMS. Reviews. Basically, this depends on how many orders you're processing each month. So how many sales you're having each month. If you're 50 orders, it's free. If it's 250 orders per month, you're sending reviews to all those people. So that's $25 per month. Let's do 3,500 orders per month. That's $300. 25,000 orders. That's $1,000. 200,000 orders. That's 4K per month. And of course, it goes up from there. Next up, Klaviyo also has some different additional products. You can see the customer data platform. Depends on how many total profiles that you have. So let's say you have 100,000 or less. It's going to be $500 per month. That's pretty much the entry price. Goes up to $1,250, or with 1 million profiles, it'll be $4,700 per month. Honestly, don't see a lot of my clients really using this, but it's there if you want it. It's basically a more advanced analytics platform to really get the most out of your Klaviyo data. And then at the bottom here, we have success and support packages. Not a lot of my clients really go with these, but it is there. You have the standard, which is $0 per month. Email support, honestly, is really great even with this. Professional, see and learn more about what that means, but that's $3K per month. And then the enterprise is $5,400 per month with all this extra email support time, which honestly, I personally don't think most brands are going to need that, but it's there if you want. Okay. So that's what you'd get if you're inside Klaviyo and you're looking at the billing. Couple things to note here. active profiles. So if you're already on Klaviyo, active profiles is the number of people you can send email campaigns to in one singular blast. So active profiles is different than the total number of profiles. Total number is like the biggest number that you're seeing here. For example, one of our clients, they have active profiles and they have additional active profiles. So there's 320K people in total, but their plan is only the 45K plan. So their plan right here is, scroll down. They have this plan right here. However, they have more than 45,000 people within their account. And the reason they can do it is because it's Klaviyo's kind of legacy, their older pricing, and they're already on it. So that's okay. And so they can have 712% monthly profile usage. And they can, again, as I said, they can have 320K people in their account, but the most people they can send an email campaign to is 45,000 people at one time. Now, if you're a new Klaviyo user, they're trying to charge you more. So active profiles is the total number of profiles within your account. So if this client right here, they have 320K total people. Now, if they were to sign up for Klaviyo again in 2024 as a new client, they would have to now get the plan that allows for 320. They have 320K, so they would have to get this plan right here, which is obviously a lot more. And Klaviyo is a company, they want to make you pay as much as they can. Unfortunately, it's just the reality of it. So it's going to be a lot more expensive now because of their updated pricing policies. Okay. So that's email. That's SMS. Reviews. You can see the pricing here, as I said, just to wrap it up, and CDP. You can go ahead and take a screenshot of that and look it up yourself. All right. So if you're running a D2C brand, you now have two options. You can try and figure out all of this yourself. You can try to go figure out the most optimal pricing. And if you're doing it wrong, you're essentially going to get gouged by Klaviyo. Or if you want to hire a team of experts to help you figure out your pricing, reduce your bill, and help you add revenue by building out those super important email automations, the flows, campaigns, all that good stuff. If you want to hire a team of experts, we are your guys. That sounds interesting. Check out zhs-ecom.com and book a call there so we can talk about a win-win partnership. Appreciate your time.